Third type, extraction by ion pair formation. Okay, so how pair of ion forms there and how that pair helps us to separate the solute from one phase to another phase. So that we are going to study here. So in this case, ion pair formation takes place with the reagent having large organic ion such as tribenzyl ammonium ion or high molecular weight amines. Okay, so these reagent combine with suitable metal ion to give a larger ionic solvent like pair. Larger organic solvent like pair. Okay, and these are the large reagents. Okay, they are bigger in size. Okay, and they are the amines. So the difference here compared to the second type is that the solvent molecule are involved in the ion pair formation for the solvation, but here we are using, in this case we are using the organic reagent for the formation of ion pair. Okay, this is what the only difference. Now see, extraction process can be given by one general equation they are giving us. See here, so R3N organic. Okay, so this is what the reagent they are showing. R is any alkyl group, so this is a bulky organic group. That is bulky amine, you can say bulky amine react with iron. Okay, that is H plus ion and A minus ion to form a more bulkier ion C, NH plus A minus. Okay, now this ion now react with what? This react with B minus. Okay, now A is replaced by B. So what happens now? R3NH plus B minus, and here A minus is get separated. So this is what the anion extraction. This is what the anion extraction. For quantitative separation requirement, good diluent and control of temperature and other activities are very important. For getting better separation, we need to maintain this. Okay, so this is organic reagent react with H plus A minus. Okay, now there is a formation of complex. That complex again react with the B minus ion, and A ion is replaced by B ion. So there is a separation of ion take place, or ion B can be extracted. Here example, general example, see here, you will get more clear idea about that. So inorganic species forming an ion pair and getting extracted into an organic solvent is given below. See, what is this? Fe3 plus ion in acidic medium forms ion as a FeCl4 plus Cr4 1 minus. Okay, हायड्रोक्लोरिक ऍसिड मध्ये Fe3 प्लस टाकला की त्याचा कोणता कॉम्प्लेक्स होतो? FeCl4 minus. The complex form an ion pair in acidic medium. The concentration of hydrochloric acid used is about 6 molar. Okay, and ion pair form over there is H plus FeCl4 1 minus. Now this is what the ion pair form over there. Okay, now see what happened. This ion pair get extracted in an organic solvent like diethyl ether. Which solvent we are using? Diethyl ether. The ion pair form is stabilized by oxygen present in the ether or other solvent carrying oxygen. And why we are using oxygen carrying solvent? Because oxygen carries electron pair. Okay, so the coordinate bonding with the iron over there. So what happened now? This diethyl ether get reacted, or it forms a complex with this species. Okay, ion pair. This forms a complex with ion pair, and liquid ion exchanger also belongs to this group, right? So you can easily separate it. Even though now initially it was present in aqueous phase, but what happened? Now it is extracted with, from aqueous phase to it is extracted into the organic phase. Okay, due to the formation of this complex. Okay, so this is what the extraction by ion pair formation. Okay, so now the next concept is synergic or synergistic solvent extraction. What happens here in this case? See, this type extraction, in this type of extraction, more than one solvent is used for the extraction of solute from one phase to the other phase. Okay, and due to combined effect of two or more solvent, extraction obtained is better one. है ना, म्हणजे फक्त अगोदर एकच सॉल्व्हेंट वापरायचं आपण. मात्र ह्या केस मध्ये काय आहे की आपण two or more than two solvent we can use to get the better extraction from aqueous phase to the organic phase. Okay, so see, this is general example. You need not to remember this example. This is just for understanding. Okay, the synergistic solvent extraction of selected lanthanoid ion with 4 benzoyl, 3 methyl, 1 phenyl, 5 pyrazolone. This is seems to be very big molecule. Okay, so don't bother about this molecule, but this helps for the synergistic extraction. Okay, this is research paper taken. This is example taken from a research paper, that is Journal of American Chemical Society. So that is having very different kind of standard. You need not to remember this. You just remember what is synergistic extraction. Is a effect combined use of two or more solvent for getting the better extraction. Okay, this is only what the synergistic extraction method. Okay, now after that we'll see what is a Craig counter current extraction. Craig counter current extraction. So I think this we will see in the next lecture. So in this lecture these two techniques are enough. So in the next lecture we'll go to the Craig counter current extraction. Thank you.